You will get training and then get to work as a machinist at the NTMA training centers in Ontario and in Norwalk. In about 7 months, you can be working in a high-tech career in aerospace, or making medical equipment or transportation equipment. I spoke with some recent NTMA graduates at Storm Manufacturing Group, which makes precision parts, like these valves, which are machined from a solid brass bar using computer controls. They were hired right out of NTMA.
So how long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 2 months.
Okay, how long have you been working here?
For about 7 months.
I've been working here 1 year and 2 months.
About 2 months.
They said NTMA gave them the right training to land these jobs.
It gave me everything I needed to know to get into a machine shop. It taught me all the necessary skills in running conventional and CNC operations.
I keep working and I've been working, you know. As long as you got your basics and you want to move forward in yourself, you know, you learn a machine shop and you can go anywhere.
As soon as I graduated, I got hired here, and they saw my skill set, what training I got from NTMA, and I've been moving up ever since. So,
the president of Storm Manufacturing Group is Brian Babb.
NTMA has worked out real good for us. You know, one of the things that we've struggled with is finding talented people to bring into our organization. As the manufacturing base gets older, so do some of the people, and we've had a lot of graying of the workforce, if you will. NTMA offers an opportunity for younger people to come in and learn something about running the operations, and we're able to leverage that into producing products here and maintaining our manufacturing operations.
Do they get the right skills at NTMA?
Yeah, we found that the hands-on training that they get at NTMA, where the graduates come in, especially if we're grabbing from the top of the class, we're getting somebody that's been through the machines thoroughly, they've been put through their paces, and they're able to get back to the job right away.
So they get the right education?
Yeah, definitely.
Another manager at Storm.
Right out of school, they're ready to go. We don't have to worry about monitoring their performance as much as we would from somebody else that didn't get the type of training that NTMA provides. So it's very good. It's very comforting to know when they come into our shop, we can put on a machine, and with just some slight modifications, they're able to do what we're asking them.
There's financial aid available for those who qualify and career services for graduates.
Michael Kerwin is president of NTMA.
We have financial aid, Title IV funding from the federal government, just like any college or university. We also have some scholarships available for our students. We have a high school scholarship at both schools every year. I think anybody can really afford to go to school. Financial aid is based on need, and then there are also Cal grants, and there are other forms of financial aid available.
If you qualify.
NTMA helps graduates with job placement.
Yes, we're very involved with job placement. Right now, our Norwalk school campus has about a 93% placement rate. And we have more job orders than we have graduates.
Really?
Yeah.
There are that many jobs out there?
There are that many jobs out there. Manufacturing is not gone.
In fact, Storm Manufacturing Group is now bringing back to Southern California work that used to be done in China.
This is a part we used to source from China, and we're making it here now. We're not sourcing it from China any longer.
So why are you able to bring it back from China?
Well, a part like this takes, you know, some complex machining operations, okay? We've got full-length bars, 12-foot long bars going into this machine, so a bar of brass, and on the other side of the machine comes out this finished valve body, 100%.
So these used to be made in China, but now you're able to make them here?
Yeah, I mean, you know, a part like this, if we didn't have the piece of equipment that we had, we'd have a higher labor content, but we wouldn't be able to make it here competitively. So one thing that we've been able to do with the equipment, obviously you need to have somebody that can run it, okay? So that's where NTMA comes in to be able to say, here's a graduate of our program, they understand the machine, they can understand the process involved, and they can manage the machine, set it up, and let it run.
New classes are about to start. Call the NTMA training centers in Norwalk and Ontario at 800-962-NTMA or 800-962-6862 or trainingcenters.org. See them on Facebook.